Exercise 3.4. These are the few formulas we need to use for this exercise 3.4. Cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha plus beta, see here plus, but here minus is present. Cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha minus beta, here minus present, so we are going to write plus. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Sin alpha plus beta, here also plus, here also plus. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Next, tan alpha plus beta, here plus, but here minus. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta, 1 divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha minus beta, here minus, here plus. Tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. These 6 formulas are very needful to do in higher studies also. In 12th standard, these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to see in vector algebra derivations. This can each sums are 5 mark sums in 12th standard. But these are the formulas we need to memorize now. We need to memorize these 6 formulas because these 6 formulas are very important throughout this chapter. Without these 6 formulas, we can't able to do anything. Not only this trigonometry contains many formulas, plenty of formulas. So memorize the formulas thoroughly so that you can do the sum very easily. First sum, sin x is equal to 15 by 17, cos y is equal to 12 by 13. See here x, here y. So these are different triangles. So first I am going to draw for sin x. Next I am going to draw for cos y. First sin x. What is sin x? Sin x is equal to 15 by 17. Next cos y. Cos y is nothing but 12 by 13. So this is the angle x. This is the angle x. This is the angle y. This is angle y. You know sin x. This is opposite. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. So this will be opposite. Opposite is equal to 15. Hypotenuse is equal to 17. Hypotenuse is equal to 17. For this one, why no? This will be adjacent. This will be adjacent. This will be hypotenuse. So adjacent, hypotenuse is equal to 13 and adjacent is equal to 12. Adjacent is equal to 12. So from here I need to find adjacent. From this I need to find adjacent. From here I need to find opposite. So in order to find adjacent, I need some space here. So I will write down sin x is equal to 15 by 17. This is opposite. This is hypotenuse. So you know formula. What is adjacent? In previous exercise we have studied adjacent. We need to square this one. Hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Hypotenuse square 289. 289 minus 15 square is 225. So adjacent is equal to 289 minus 225. 289 minus 225. What is answer going to be? 8 minus 5 is nothing but 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Nothing but adjacent is equal to 8. The same here also. I need to find opposite. What is opposite? Hypotenuse square. 13 square is 169 minus 12 square is 144. Opposite is equal to square root of 9 minus 6. What is 9? 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 4 is nothing but 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, opposite is equal to 25. Opposite is equal to 25. These are very worst we have found. But what do you want to do? See this one. This angle x lies in first quadrant. This angle x lies in first quadrant. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 nothing but first quadrant. You know no. This is this 0. This is pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 is nothing but first quadrant. Pi by 2 pi is second quadrant. Pi to 3 pi by 2 is third quadrant. 3 pi by 2, 360 is nothing but fourth quadrant. So in first quadrant, this first quadrant, 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 is the first quadrant. The same, 0 to pi by 2, this one is also first quadrant. In first quadrant, sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. All the things are positive. There will be no negative. So these all the things are going to be positive. So first is either first subdivision. What is first subdivision as? First one is nothing but sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. We know sin. First is sin x. using sin x. Next I am going to find cos x. What will be cos x? Cos x nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent here? 8. 8 by hypotenuse, 17. Next tan x. What is tan x? Tan x is nothing but opposite by adjacent, 15 by 8. These are x, the same here also, cos y. Next I need to find sin y. What is sin y? Opposite. This is square root of 25 something but 5. Square root of 25 is something but 5. So, opposite by hypotenuse. Next tan y. Opposite by adjacent, 5 by 2. So, now apply formula. Sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. What is the formula? Sin x plus y. What is the formula? Sin alpha plus beta. Sin alpha is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. The same formula. Sin x plus y. What is sin x plus y? Sin x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is the formula. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So first write sin x. Sin x. What is sin x here? 15 by 17. 15 by 17 into cos y. What is cos y? 12 by 13 plus cos x. What is cos x here? This is cos x. 8 by 17 into sin y. What is sin y? 5 by 13. 5 by 13 divided by 17 into 13. 17 into 13. We need to multiply, no? So we need to multiply. 17, 13. 7 3 is 21. 1 carry over 2. 3, 4, 5. Next is 7, 1, 1, 12, 221. This will be 221. Next is 15 into 12. 15 into 12. 2 5s are 10. Carry over 1. 2, 3. 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 1 is 1. 0, 8, 1. 180. Plus 8 5s are 40. 40 divided by 221. Since 221 is same, I need to add 0 plus 0, nothing but 0. 8 plus 4 is 12, carry over 1, carry over 2, 3, 320. Answer is 320 divided by 221 for first subdivision. This is now 320, this is 220. 220 because 18 plus 40, 220. 220 by 221. Second subdivision I need to find cos x minus y. Cos x minus y is equal to, what is the formula? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is the formula. Cos x minus y, cos alpha minus beta. What is cos alpha minus beta? Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. In place of alpha beta, there is x and y is present. So first write cos x. What is cos x here? 8 by 17. 8 by 17 into cos y. What is cos y here? I need to find cos y. 12 by 13. 12 by 13 plus sin x. Sin x is 15 by 17. 15 by 17. Sin y. What is sin y here? 5 by 13. 5 by 13 is equal to 17 by 13 is nothing but 221. Now only we have done 17 by 13. 8 12s are 2 8s are 16. Carry over 1. 8 96 plus 15 5s are 75 divided by 221 is equal to divide by 221. Add 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? 11. Carry over 1. 9 plus 7 16. 17. 171 divided by 221. Next, third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? Tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is equal to tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. The same. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So it's equal to, what is the tan x? See here, tan x is nothing but 15 by 8. 15 by 8 plus tan y. Tan y is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 whole divided by, tan y is 5 by 12 whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. 15 by 8 into 5 by 12 is equal to cross multiply 15 into 12. 15 12 is nothing but 180 plus 8 5s are 40 divided by 8 into 12. We have done 8 into 12 here only 96 whole divided by 8 2s are 8 2s are 96 here. 8 2s are 96 cross multiply 96 minus 15 5s are 75 divided by 96. 96 96 gets cancelled is equal to 180 plus 40. We have studied 180 plus 40 is nothing but 220 divided by 96 minus 75. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Nothing but 21. So, what is the answer we have got? 220 divided by 21 is the required answer for this sum.